Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this healthy and easy air fried naked chicken wings. Guys, these wings are to die for. They taste so good and it's so easy to make, and it's healthy for you because it's not fried, it is air fried. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you'll need to make this would be your chicken wings, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken wings to a freezer bag, and then I would make my marinade. So the first thing I'll be adding will be my smoked paprika, some cumin, mustard powder, garlic powder, hot chili powder for some heat, rosemary, black pepper, some salt, and I'm gonna be adding the juice of half a lemon for some really nice acidity, and this would help to tenderize the meat. And then about 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. That's all she wrote. But guys, remember, this is your chicken, okay? So you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can mix and match whatever kind of spices that you prefer to have on your chicken wings, but this is how I like to make it most times. It tastes so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna really massage my chicken to make sure that marinade covers every chicken wing in there. Then I'll seal this bag and set it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Overnight is better, but 30 minutes would do. So once my chicken is marinated, I'm gonna go ahead and cook it in my goat air fryer. Guys, this air fryer is amazing. It is so good. It makes life so easy. And I'm like, where has this been all my life? Guys, if you want to grab one for yourself, you can use the code in the description box below and get yourself about 10% discount. Okay, I'm all for saving money. So if you want to save about 10% on this amazing air fryer, use the code and the link in the description box below and help yourself out. So now I'm adding my chicken into the basket after spraying it down with some non-stick spray. Okay, but even if you don't spray it, it's not really gonna stick because I have some oil on my chicken. But if you have non-stick spray, go ahead and spray it. Okay, so once I put the basket back into the fryer, I'm gonna select my setting for chicken, which should be number 5. Okay, the great thing about this air fryer is that it comes with all the preset programs that you can use, but then it's also flexible. You can adjust the temperature, adjust the time, and start cooking. Today I'm going to be cooking for about 17 minutes, and that is all it takes to produce amazing tasty wings in my own kitchen. Okay guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna save you so much money. Stop ordering those wings, make it yourself. Okay. And this is healthier because it's not being fried, it is air fried. Okay, no oil, no grease, perfectly tasty. So once I get the beep from my air fryer that my wings are ready, I know it's time for the favorite part of the show, which is when I get to taste it. So today I'm just gonna be garnishing with some sesame seeds just because I like to do it. I'm not even sure why I do it, but I do it anyway. And some parsley because it just looks pretty. And I'm gonna be eating my wings with some blue cheese dipping, or ranch dipping would work as well. Whatever sauce you like, use it. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now would be the perfect time to do it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you want to grab that air fryer, use the code and the link in the description box below and get one for yourself. Okay. I love you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.